The Step API, 20 functions, each a complete browser action. Today, web scraping in one line of code or zero. I'll show you both. First up, MCP in Claude Code. I'm scraping this BBC search page. Harry Kane is my go-to for demos. I tell Claude that I want to use the Step API in MCP. Then I just pass in the page I want to scrape and the selector. Claude then runs the scrape step over the MCP and hands me back the data when it's done. That's it. No code, no setup, easy. Now, the same scrape, but in my own script. I've imported the API, I've added my API key. I will delete that key, by the way. And one line calls the scrape function. Then we have my selectors. I also set a pager and how many results I want to scrape. All that's left to do is run the script. The browser pages through the results on its own, and bingo, site scraped, data back as rows. To use this Step API, simply grab an API key, install the npm library. Links in the comments, one line of code or zero, go scrape something.